Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to read FB messages in Messenger without them knowing, right? So this trick will definitely work for you because this is a by default by Messenger. So you have to just go to your Messenger mobile application here. So right now, for example, first of all you have to click on the three horizontal lines which is on the top left side corner. Then go to the settings icon, right? And here you will find the option under privacy and safety. So just click on privacy and safety, and here you will find an option of read receipts. So just tap on it and make sure you just turn this off. So here you can see people won't be able to see what you have read their messages, and you won't be able to see what they have read yours, right? So this is a thing that you won't be able to find out whether they have read your messages, and they will also not be able to find whether you have read these messages or not. So this is a trick, but yeah, this works from both of the sides and this can be very helpful to you. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.